So I've seen a lot of people using this color in video and their color did not turn out right. The reason being it's a 3.16. So on an already dark base you're not gonna get this color. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a different kind of a video. I'm going to be doing a hair coloring video and I'm going to be using the Garnier Color Naturals hair color in the shade Raspberry Red 7.65. It's a very pretty berry toned red which I thought would look amazing for the festive season, so I decided to give this one a try. Plus it's super affordable, it's for 49 bucks and I can't wait to try this. So let's quickly check out the content of this pouch. So you get a hair colorant, a developer which is 25 volumes and an instruction manual. Also, if this is the first time you're going to be coloring your hair, don't forget to read up the instruction manual and don't forget to do a patch test to make sure that you're not allergic to anything. So the process is very simple and straightforward. All you have to do is mix the colorant and the developer together in a glass bowl and apply it to your clean dry hair. So here I'm emptying the entire content of the two pouches in a glass bowl and I'm gonna mix it with a wooden spatula. You can also use a plastic bowl, of course. So this is the colorant and now I'm gonna pour in the developer. Now I'm gonna mix the colorant and the developer together thoroughly and then it would be ready to be applied to the hair. So this is how the mixture looks. It slowly turned pink while mixing. Also make sure that your hair is washed because if your hair is greasy, the color is not gonna hold. And now let's get coloring. So this is how my hair looks pre-coloring. So previously I tried doing a balayage on my hair on my own. So this is why my hair looks this way. It has grown out a lot and I intend to keep it till here, so giving it more like a ombre effect now. So I'm only going to be coloring the bleached parts of my hair, keeping the uncolored parts of my hair untouched. So I'm just going to be using my bare hands to put the color on my hair. I won't be using any brush or anything else. And I haven't been able to film the process of coloring my hair, so I'll show you once I've applied the color. So this is how it's looking after the color is applied. Now I'm gonna wait for 40 minutes and then go wash it off and apply some conditioner. And this is how my hair is looking post washing and conditioning. So this hair color pouch does not contain any conditioner, so you have to use your own conditioner. So I've used the Tresemme Keratin Smooth conditioner. My hair is looking dry because my hair is bleached and I have been coloring it for the last 1 year. But it's gonna look fine once I use some serum and style my hair. So I'm trying to give you a good view of the color from different angles so that you get a good idea. So the color is 7.65. It's called Raspberry Red. It's a berry toned red which is very bright and looks really pretty. So a thing to remember is that the higher the number of the color, the brighter the color is gonna be, and the lower the number, the darker the color is gonna be. For instance, most of us have dark brown hair, which is gonna be close to a number 2. So the burgundy color from the Garnier Color Naturals range is 3.16, which means it's a pretty dark color and it won't be possible to show up on your already dark hair. So this is how the color came out. I'm pretty happy with the result. It's pretty bright, but then you do need your hair to be pre-bleached in order for this color to show. The lighter your hair is bleached, the more color you're gonna see. But then also keep in mind that the more you bleach your hair, the more damaged your hair is gonna be. So this is the part where my hair is not bleached and I have extended a little. You can see you can hardly see color here. But these are my bleached parts and see how beautifully they have picked up color, right? So again, these are my unbleached hair. The color doesn't show here, but here it shows really nicely. So if you want to give your hair a quick makeover, you can try this color. Vibrant will look for the festive season, which is amazing. So you can do an ombre from here, like leave the rest of the hair as is, so that it's not a lot of commitment. Also, I've used the Streaks Professional Hair Rich Gloss Hair Serum as a finishing oil to give a little bit of shine to the hair, and I'm really loving it. This is the first time I've used it and it's pretty good, affordable. This one is, I think, this one retails for 105, but I got this for like 95 or something, which is amazing. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I tried to film as much as I could, but it was a little difficult for me. This is the first time I've tried making a video on hair coloring, and I tried my best. I tried to make it as helpful as possible. I hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.